Preparation works of the battery box. Remove the nuts, including washers, with a 10 mm hexagon socket. Rotate the fixing board horizontally by 180 degrees, keeping it close to the edge. Then, fix it back with the washers and nuts. Install the rest fixed cards in the same way. Preparation works of the solar panel. Remove the 8 screws, including washers, on both sides of the solar panel with a 5 mm hexagon driver bit. Place the battery box on the solar panel frame, and align the hole positions between the two components. Then, fix them with the previous washers and screws. Fix the remaining screws in the same way. Connect the male plug of the battery box to the female plug of the solar panel. Be aware of the fit inside the plugs, and then secure the safety nut to ensure waterproofing. Remove the 6 nuts, including washers, with a 10 mm hexagon socket on the battery box. Ensure the 6 bolts pass through the pole fitter's locating holes. Don't fix it before checking the next step. The pole fitter's center locating hole or bolt should be aligned with this arrow. Then, tighten all screws. Note to put the washers back. Preparation works of the light fixture. Open the light fixture and use a 22 mm open-end wrench to unscrew the waterproof connector. Wrap the bare end of the waterproof plug wire with electrical tape and thread it into the light fixture. Tighten the waterproof connector. Then, connect the wires to the corresponding terminals according to the labels mentioned. Close the light fixture. In the end, connect the female plug of the battery box to the male plug of the light fixture. Be aware of the fit inside the plugs, and then secure the safety nut to ensure waterproofing. After being connected correctly, the system will be activated to a customary working state.